Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix memory problem on MacBook Air. First of all, open up Spotlight Search and open up Activity Monitor. After that, press on Memory, and on Memory at the bottom, if this is not green, then you need to force quit some of the apps. So for example, choose the application you want to close and press on this stop button just like so, and force quit or quit it just like so. Now if that didn't work, then you want to go ahead and close this. Again, open up Spotlight Search, open up General. On General, you want to scroll until you will see Login Items. And here, open at Login. If you have a lot of items, you want to go ahead and just delete them. Just press on the item and press the minus sign. Just make sure that there's not much applications opening at Login. And the last thing to try is open up General, Software Update, check for update, and update your operating system. And that should also fix your problem. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.